back with another AI recipe. Hey again, computer. So in a couple of days, Prince Charles is going to become King Charles. I want to make the ultimate coronation dish to celebrate his coronation. What are his favourite ingredients? Whoa! Nice.
Mushroom, lamb, eggs, and British cheese.
Sick! What can I make with these delicious ingredients? Interesting. Mushroom and lamb shepherd's pie with cheesy egg topping. Cheesy eggs. Let's make it. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a British recipe for a British king. Ooh, what's that? Rice? Olive oil, chopped onion, garlic. Starting in the right way. Obviously, our lamb is pre-cooked. It says 4 to 5 mushrooms. I quite want it to be like mushroomy, so I put quite a lot in. It's good for you if you're on a budget as well, because mushrooms are cheaper than lamb. So it says to add everything into the skillet at the same time, but I think that's a bit weird, and I'm going to add the mushrooms and kind of brown them a little bit. And then I'm going to add some tomato paste, and then I'm actually going to add, this is off recipe, I'm deviating from ChatGPT, but I'm going to add some flour. It's going to help thicken the sauce, make a kind of roux. See, sometimes ChatGPT, you're just full of shit, aren't you? And you say all this stuff, you don't know what you're talking about, because you're a robot. Yeah, see, look, thickening up nicely, looking saucy. So we're going to put our Worcestershire sauce in, splish, splash, splosh. Ooh, yeah, it's nice. Needs a bit more salt. And a bit of pepper. And I think the lamb can go in now. Prince Charles loves lamb. He's probably got like a whole field of lambs that he can just at any point just decide to eat one. Maybe they're always lambs. They never turn into sheep. Because if you're the king, that's the sort of thing you can command. You could be like, look, lamb, no turning into a sheep for you. You could eat me if you wanted to. And I will offer myself up to be eaten at the coronation in a lovely pie. Right, so the next step is spread it out on the bottom of a dish. Oh, spread time. Okay, spreaded. The next step is, in a mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs and the grated British cheese. Pour the mixture over the lamb and mushroom mixture in the baking dish. Right, that's up. That's just gonna make a omelette, like a cheesy omelette, and then with mash on top. We don't want that to happen. So, overriding the computer, so I can put some cheese into the mashed potatoes, stir that through, get it nice and combined, and then these eggs. One egg. Apparently he just loves eggs, Prince Charles. He's demanded a coronation quiche, and I'm glad I don't have to make a coronation quiche, because I hate the word quiche. You know, like we had like coronation chicken, apparently there's another coronation thing to celebrate Queen Liz, R.I.P. I met her once. When I say met, I mean I saw her from quite far away. She was getting off the train, I was about 9. I do remember her. She was like, peasants? Pheasants? Do you think they get the two mixed up? Let's go and shoot some peasants. Anyway, spoon the mashed potatoes over the egg and cheese mixture, spreading it out evenly. Easy peasy, let's do it. He does it. Yes, nicely, nice. Yeah, the egg looks like ice cream almost. I would like some lamb with mashed mango sorbet on top. Look at the smoothness of that. Oh yeah, the lines. Oh, I feel so zen. Should I go this way as well? So it just f***ed it up. Yeah, it's just f***ed it up. Okay. What you normally do is you pour melted butter over the top to give it a little bit of colour. Let's do that. Oh yeah, butter. Maybe it's gonna be delicious. Shall I down it? Alrighty, so that's in the oven. All we can do now is sit and wait 30 minutes on the clock.
Would you like to hear a royal-themed joke?
Yeah, would I?
Why did the Queen go to the dentist? To get her teeth crowned.
For f***'s sake. Got a lot of work to do there, mate. So here it is, my AI-generated dish for King Charles's coronation. Can you believe that a computer, with a little help from me, came up with this recipe? It's beautiful, it's indulgent, and if I may say so myself, it's fit for a king. The only thing I can do now is using my royal golden fork, give it a little try. That's really nice. It's delicious. It's like mushroomy, it's umami. That pulled lamb is really nice. And the mash, eggs in mash, I'm here for it. I hope my King Charles is as well. I feel like I've done a royally good job and I'm the king of this shepherd's pie, but what is a king without a fair queen? You like potatoes, don't you? And lamb?
There's hidden mushrooms in this, so let's see if I can tell. I really like the lamb.
You like the lamb? What about the potatoes?
Potatoes are good.
Do you know there's loads of egg in there?
I'm allergic.
Oh, one less fan at the coronation.
It's really good.
It is nice, isn't it? All right, you can go away now with that. Home time for you. Okay, so I think AI has actually done quite a good job with a little help from me. Charles, have an amazing coronation. It's been a long time waiting. Enjoy your royal quiche, but this is probably better. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you're part of the royal family. See ya.